Welcome back to Trading IQ, where we will learn the unlimited nature of the stock market. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and I'm going to do a quick video today to share about the market updates since market just opened. And because on Friday the Dow market went down 700 points. So I wanted to kind of share with you an update about the market and share my prediction on how the market will pan out within this period of this week and what's coming ahead. So please stay tuned, and I'll share my screen now and showcase you how Nifty is currently performing and what you should expect in the coming days. Now let's see how Nifty 50 is currently performing, right? So based on my previous video where I've shared how Nifty 50 was performing, whether it wasn't bullish, and based on the structure, it is still bullish. So please watch my last video where I've shared what is Nifty's current status and how it is looking ahead, right? And also some relation to Bank Nifty, right? So let's look at Nifty now and see how it is performing now, because I see that it is 100 points down today, right? So I have seen a development on a daily chart. So on a daily chart, as you can see, it is currently on a trading range. You see, this is the resistance level and this is the support level. So the support level is around 7,200 points. So if Nifty is above this trading range, 700, 200 points, we shouldn't be worried because it is on a daily time frame. It is on a trading range, and over a weekly time frame, it still look bullish. So I don't think there has been much of a problem here. The Dow was down last Friday 780 points, and those are some corrections. Those are some pullbacks, which I've shared on my last video. That pullbacks are healthy. Market cannot go in one direction, right? So these pullbacks are pretty healthy. Market is trading at an all-time high, and some profit taking are necessary to market's health and market's well-being. So in relation to Bank Nifty, I'm still worried about Bank Nifty since last we discussed. Bank Nifty is still on that range and could not broke out of this trading range. So Bank Nifty is something that Nifty needs to have Bank Nifty's support for it to be able to regain this upward momentum and keep it going, right? And keep it going to 18,000, 19,000 and 20,000. So Bank Nifty has to chime in and has to come to the party and provide the needed support to Nifty. And if you look at other sectors such as small cap, now small cap, as we have discussed in my last video, that it broke out of its trading range and it is now on a continuous stage 2 setup. So small cap is still look like a good buy. You can look for different stocks which are showing different sort of patterns, right? And let's look at mid cap. Mid cap is well above its trading range, and now it is similar to what Nifty is currently showing. So let's see on its daily chart. Daily chart, it is also showing some good development, right? It is not even on a trading range. It is it is above its trading range, right? It hasn't created a trading range yet like Nifty did, right? So it has the support of mid cap sectors, small cap sectors. However, Nifty would need support from Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has to perform for Nifty to sustain this upward momentum, which I believe it will, because I've looked at the finance sector. Let me just share. This is the Nifty finance, right? So the finance sector is also performing well, right? So Banks Nifty is a sector where all the large banks, right, are part of Bank Nifty. So those needs to perform well for Nifty to keep its upward momentum and break above its all the records and go up to 18, 19 or 20,000 this year. Probably I'm being very hopeful, but this could happen, right? And market can do anything. So by looking at all the sectors and small cap, mid cap, and Nifty itself, market is still bullish, right? And you need not to worry about all the other markets which performed badly on Friday. So those are not badly performed market yet because those are some healthy corrections. So you got to sustain and remain positive on those pullbacks, on those corrections, because you need those corrections. You need those market to correct, once in a while and once in a week, or once in a couple of weeks, for it to carry its upward momentum on a healthy and positive way. So as per me, I think the market is doing well. You should look for buy, right? And you should look for different sectors which are performing better, for which, if you haven't watched my stage analysis video to identify which stage currently a market is right now, you should watch my stage analysis video. You will find on the I button. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys and have a great day. Bye.